A very warm welcome, viewers. Welcome to Business Notice. This is Kajol Sinha, and at present, I am with Akhilesh Kumar Verma, who is an assistant professor, Department of Zoology, Cotton University. So, sir, welcome to Business Notice. It's an immense pleasure to have you on our show. So, today, a training program on pearl culture techniques has been organized at Guwahati Biotech Park. So, could you tell us what are the things that has been learned in this training program?
Okay, so this program has been organized by GBP under the BIGFA project. So the main aim and objective is to popularize the whole technology among the farmers so that they can take it into the next level. And moreover, this is a best opportunity for the livelihood, because what happened in case of entire northeast, people are consuming these freshwater mussels, which is going to reduce their population. So what technology we are thinking, like if it can be diverted into a pearl farming where this animal can naturally breed. So breeding, there won't be any hamper. At the same time, farmer may get a pearl that is having a very high price in the market. So this is the plan, and moreover, we have seen more interested farmers who are putting their effort in this sector. So in Cotton University, we started in the year 2016, and so far we have achieved our target, and now we are trying to popularize the whole technology among the farmers.
And so, what is the market demand of pearl in India and globally?
Okay, you see, globally, China is leading in the pearl farming. The global production is around 96% by the China. So we as a India, you see, we are the largest consumer. So we are taking more than 90% pearl from outside. So there are lots of scope, and this is the reason why I have taken this to take into the next level so that we can fulfill our customer demand from our indigenous technology. And moreover, this whole concept is very well aligned with the present government scheme like Atmanirbhar Bharat, and government is also planning for Viksit Bharat. So this pearl farming is very well connected with all these schemes, and hopefully this is going to take a new height in the near future.
And so, pearl farming is mainly associated in the salt water, like seas and oceans. So, what do you have to say regarding the northeastern region?
Okay, so we are not blessed with the marine system, but yeah, of course, as we have the vast water body in freshwater system. So in fresh water also we can produce pearl, and the quality wise there is no much difference. The thing is like there is a little high management cost in freshwater system, because we need to provide food, we need to see water parameters. So yes, successfully we can do in freshwater also.
Okay, sir. And are there any government schemes supporting pearl culture businesses?
There are, but our farmers are unaware about the whole things. So as far I know, NABARD Bank they used to finance. Moreover, there are lots of startup schemes run by the government. So farmer they can avail this kind of facility.
And so, what are the factors that influence pearl quality and yield?
Okay, so for quality, water parameter is essential. Say for example, whatever we have done in entire northeast, mainly Assam, the water quality is good. So pearl farming can be done in entire Assam. There is no issue in the water. But what I feel like iron content in water should not be high. It should be in the optimal level. And moreover, calcium level is also very very important. Copper, zinc, trace elements are required. So overall water quality is good.
Okay. And sir, I would like to ask you that what is the estimate initial investment required for a small scale pearl farming unit?
Okay, actually it depends on the farmer planning. So somebody is planning for 10,000 animals, the cost will be less, and somebody is suppose planning for 50,000 animal, again the cost is going to increase. So basically, if anybody is planning with say 2,000 animal, the cost initial cost will be around 50 to 60,000.
Okay. So, what are the things that has been learned in the training program today?
So in this training program, we have included participant farmer background, some are researcher, fewer startups. So what we are going to teach them, how to get animals from the nearby water body. At the same time, we are trying to teach them different surgical methods. So in pearl farming, what happens? Surgical procedure is very much like it should be properly done. So this we are going to teach round pearl surgery as well as designer pearl surgery, and then post downstream processing they will learn like how to feed, how to manage if there is any disease, how to fulfill all the treatment plan. So these are the things that we are going to cover during the training. So mostly A to Z will cover in this 2 days event.
Okay. Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your valuable time.
Okay, thank you very much.
Now, that's all for today. Keep watching Business Noticed.